Ring a ding ding eh?
Hello.
Hello there, how are you today, sir?
Fine, sir. Thank you for asking. Whom I'm speaking with?
Yes, this is Mr. John Thomas.
Mr. John.
Yeah, John Thomas.
John Thomas, right?
Yeah, and what's your name?
Thank you for calling the refund department, sir. How may I help you, Mr. John?
You're the reefer man. Okay, well, yeah, okay, yes. So,
All right.
how do I get my reefer?
How do you get your refund? You mean to say?
Well, yeah, you're the reefer man, aren't you?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. The thing is that we are calling you from the refund department of HP Windows, and this call is about your refund. So I guess you remember that last time you have paid some money, you have made a payment to our company for technical support for antiviruses. I guess you remember that, right?
Oh, okay. So it's a computer thing.
Yes, sir. It's a computer thing, sir. You made a payment to our company for the technical support for the computer maintenance for the antiviruses. I guess you remember that, right?
Yep. Yeah, I remember that. That was about a year ago now, I think. Maybe a little bit
Yes, sir.
longer.
It was a while ago, correct, sir?
Yeah.
The thing is that what happened, like, sir, we are facing some technical problems, some technical issues in our server. So that is the only reason we are running out of this business, and that's why we are not able to provide you the services into your computer anymore. So as per our company's rules and regulation and according to the FTC guidelines, we need to refund back money our all of those customers who made a payment to our company for the lifetime services for the lifetime protection like you, Mr., which is registered under your name, Mr. John, right?
Oh, yeah, I see. So it's that server issue on Microsoft.
Yes, sir. There is a server issue, all right, on the Microsoft Corporation. That is the only reason we need to refund back money our all of those customers who made a payment to our company for the lifetime services like you. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So, sir, do you remember the amount? What was the amount you paid to our company? Do you remember that?
Let me. I think it was about $300.
Come again, sir. I didn't
Uh,
get you.
300.
It was a 300, right?
Yeah.
Just give me a second, sir. Let me check in our server that what was the amount because we have your each and every details and the record in our server since you are our long-term registered customer. Okay?
Right. Oh, okay.
Okay. Now, the thing is that, sir, you made a payment to our company. The amount, it was $350 as well as include the compensation. Okay?
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. So, sir,
Yeah.
to remember your refund amount, only $350. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna send you a service cancellation from and as well as refund claiming from on your computer screen so that it will take 2 to 3 minutes to get your refund back and as well as cancel the service contract. Okay?
Okay, okay. So yeah.
So, sir, I hope is your computer turned on? Are you working on your computer now?
Oh, yeah. I do have my computer turned on because I was downloading some stuff.
Okay, sir. First of all, be in front of the computer and let me know once you can see your home screen.
Well,
Okay?
I got my home screen up now.
Okay. And so can you
Yep.
please confirm me that basically do you have any browser like Google Chrome?
I use a Firefox.
You are using a Firefox, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And you don't have any Google Chrome, the safest browser?
Oh no, I don't trust them bastards.
Okay, sir, no worries. Then what to do? first of all, have a very good look on the computer keyboard, extreme left-hand side at the down bottom corner. Can you see the control key, the CTRL key there?
Yeah, it says control.
All right. Now on this control, beside the control key, just next to the control button, can you see there is a four flagged square Windows logo key?
Yeah, it's got a window icon thing.
Yeah, correct, sir. Which is look a start Windows icon, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, sir, what to do? First of all, press the window key within one finger. Press it and hold it down. Do not let
Hold
it
it.
go. At the same time, first of all, press the four flag Windows key. Press it and hold it down. Do not
Yep.
let it go. At the same
Let it
time,
go.
another finger press. Yeah. At the same time, another finger press the letter R. R as in Robert. Together at the same time.
Okay. Oh, the little box has popped up. Run.
Yes, sir. Correct. Now release the key from the keyboard.
Yep. Got this
Okay.
run.
Now, now I now I hope you can see the run window come up on your screen. Now,
Yeah.
middle of the run window, next to the open, can you see there is a white search panel where you can type something?
Yeah, it says cummed.
It's empty now. It's blank
No,
at
it
this
says
moment.
cummed. CMD cummed.
Yeah, just delete that, sir. Whatever is written there, just delete that and make it
Okay.
empty, make it blank.
Yep.
Okay. Then type over there. It's I as an internet. Type I.
You gotta type the internet.
No. Type only I. I as an internet.
Oh, I. Okay.
Yeah.
I.
After I, type E as in England. Type E.
England.
Then after E, type X as in Xmas. Type X.
Eggs.
After X, type P as in Peter. Type P.
PP.
P as in Peter. Type P.
Yeah.
After P, type L as in London. Type L.
London.
Then O for Oscar. Type O.
Oscar.
Then R as in Robert. Type R.
Robert.
Then E as in England. Type E again.
England. Okay.
Then leave a single space. Give a single space.
Yep.
After space, type T as in Tom. Type T.
T.
It's T. T as in Thomas.
Yeah.
Type T.
T.
After T, type I as in Internet. Type I.
I.
After I, type N as in November. Type N.
November.
After N, type Y as in yellow. Type Y.
Tiny.
It's after N, type Y. Y as in yellow.
Yellow. Yeah. So it says I
After
explore
Y, type
tiny.
yeah, I explore. Then a single space.
Yeah.
After space, T. T as in Thomas. I as in Internet. N as in November. Y as in yellow.
Yes. So it says I explore tiny.
Uh, yeah, correct. After
Yeah.
Y, type U as in United. Type U.
U.
After U, then R as in Robert. Type R.
R.
Then L as in London. Type L.
Lund.
Yeah, after London, after L, put a single dot, a full stop.
Dot.
After dot, type C as in California. Type C.
California.
After C, type O as in Oscar. Type O.
O.
After O, then M as in mother. Type M.
M.
Yeah, after M, give a forward slash.
Okay.
After forward slash, type N as in November. Type N.
N.
After N, then number 6.
6.
Yeah, number 6, correct.
Yeah.
After 6, type N as in November. I'm so sorry, sir. It should be
Oh.
L. L as in London. After 6,
London.
L as in London.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now, after L, type G as in golf. Type G.
G.
Yeah. After G, type M as in mother. Type M.
M. Okay.
After M, type U as in United. Type U.
United.
Then A as in Apple. Type A.
A.
Yeah. Now, sir, confirm me exactly what you have to type here.
I explore space tinyurl.com slash n6lgmua.
Correct, sir. It should be I explore, then a single space. After that, tinyurl.com, then a forward slash. After that, it's after forward slash N6LGMUA, correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, sir. Now give a single left click on OK. Hit on OK.
Okay.
Now, once you give a single left click on OK, after that, what do you see? What does it say?
It says it wants to open up Teamviewer setup exe. It wants to save it.
Yeah,
Run
can you
save.
see any option like run? Click
Run
on run.
save.
Single left click on run. Yeah,
Okay.
correct. Run.
Yep.
Now, sir, once you click on run, after that, what do you see? What come up on your screen?
Um, do you want to allow the following to make changes?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. There is a two message for you, like yes or
Yeah.
no. Then say yes. Give a single left click on
Okay,
yes.
I clicked on it. It says welcome to TeamViewer. Install
Yes, sir.
one. Yeah.
Now, sir, there is a three message for you, like personal and non-commercial use, and the other two option. Now, I do believe this is your personal computer, so we need to select the personal and non-commercial used. Give a single left click on personal and non-commercial use.
Okay.
Now, after that, give a single left click on next at the
Next.
bottom.
Yep. It says
Now,
license agreement.
once,
Please review
yes, sir, correct. Now,
license.
after click
I
on next.
accept
Now,
terms. I agree. I will only
yes, sir.
use Team.
Yes, sir. There is a two check mark box. I agree. I accept. You need to check mark both boxes. Okay.
Both
Just
of them.
single left click on that. Both
Okay.
boxes.
Now it says,
Now,
do you later want to remote access the Polar you are installing
no, no,
TeamViewer
sir.
on moment?
No, click on next. Click on next. Just forget.
Next.
Just leave it at the bottom. Click on next. Okay.
Okay.
Now, once you click on next, after that, what do you see? What comes up on your screen, sir?
Hold on. Okay.
What?
It says allow remote computer, partner ID,
Yes.
remote
Yeah.
control
Yeah.
file.
Now,
Yeah.
correct, sir. Uh, the thing is that, sir, in the meantime, what to do, just grab a pen and piece of paper and write it down, your temporary ID and the password, all right?
Okay. I just gotta go get a pen.
Okay, sir, just write it down in a piece of paper.
Yep. I've got piece of paper
Okay, then write it down, the ID and the password of yours, okay?
of mine. Hold on.
Yes, sir. Can you see it says your ID and the password? So just write it down, the ID and the password.
It says partner ID. And then there's something to write.
Yeah, not the partner ID, sir. Only you just only just write it down. The your ID. It says your ID and the password. Correct?
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. You need to write it down. Your ID and the password. Okay?
Okay. I've written it down.
Yeah. Now, what to do,
Yeah.
sir? In the right hand side. Uh, just give me a second, sir. Okay?
Okay.
And sir, how was your day, sir? So far, so good.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, I went out a coffee earlier, and yeah, very nice.
Just give me a second, sir. Okay?
Okay.
All right, sir. And sir, how old your computer? How old is it?
It's about I don't know 8 years, I think now.
So it means it's a too old computer, and I hope it's working perfect, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, I had a bit of trouble a few weeks ago, but I got it sorted out.
What kind of problems, sir, you are facing? Just confirm
Um,
me.
well, it kept on getting a blue screen, and it said dump in a cache.
All right. So, sir, I hope is your computer working fine at this moment? You are not facing that kind of problem, right?
Oh no, I got it sorted out about a few weeks ago.
Okay. Just give me a second, sir, because we need to, we need to remove each and everything from our from our department. So that is the only reason it will take some time.
Okay.
And so you have only this one, or you have you have only do you have any other computer as well?
Well, I do have a laptop, but I ain't used that since I don't know when, cause I think it was like a thing.
Okay, but your laptop it's working.
Oh yeah, I guess so. I haven't used it in what 3, 4, maybe even 5 years now. Very old, and
Okay.
it never gets used.
And if you don't mind, sir, your sound over the phone so young. I hope are you more than 35 years older?
Yep, yeah, I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought that maybe, sir, you are below. I thought that you are below. I know below 35.
No, I was born 1979.
4979. Oh my Jesus. So it means 21. Bye. All right, so just hold on. Just give me a second. Can I put you on hold 30 seconds?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. So just hold the line. Just bear with me. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Yes,
Hello,
sir.
yeah.
Thank you for holding the line. Okay. Now, sir, now on this box where you can see it shows your ID and the password. Now,
Uh,
just beside that your ID, can you see it says partner ID and the blank panel where you can type something?
yeah, it's got remote control, file transfer, VPN underneath, and yeah.
Oh, okay. And just beside that, can you see it says partner ID and the blank panel where you can type something?
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, just type the partner ID. Just put in there. It's
11
1101
01
969
969
014.
014.
Yes. Now just below you can see any option like connect to partner. Give a
Yeah,
single left click on connect to partner.
okay.
Okay. Now after click on connect to partner, you got a small window which is asking you for the password. So just type the password which is 4754.
4754.
Correct. So now click on log on. Single left click on log on.
Okay.
Now once you
Oh,
clicked on log on, after
it,
that
it's
look at the
gone
very
black.
top on your screen. Yeah, look at the very top. Can you see there is an option like action? Click on action.
Extras.
No, 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 no. Click on action, the first
Oh,
option. Click on
on
action.
action. Yeah, it says switch sides with partner. Control
Yes,
Alt
yes, yes.
Delete.
Click on switch sites with partner. Give a single left click on switch sites with partner.
Oh, hold on. It I'm
It,
gonna have to sort it out.
yeah, Yes, sir. You just do one thing. Click on once again click on switch sites with partner, sir. Click on action, then click on switch sites with partner.
Oh, then clicks. Okay, okay.
Ye- sir, clicked on once again clicked on switch. Just click on
Oh,
action at the top and then click on switch sites with partner. Okay.
right, okay. Actions. Uh,
Action, then click on switch sites with partner. The second option. Give a single left click on that.
yep, okay. Um,
Have you clicked on Have you clicked on switch sites with partner?
I clicked on actions and then, well, it's like right underneath it, is it? The first one
No,
there.
no, no, sir. I hope, sir.
What?
First of all, click on action. Now, after click on action,
What happened?
click on switch sites with partner.
It says sponsored session. This was a feed session. A Teamviewer buy license. Like, okay,
All right, sir. Just do on. Close down each and everything. So just close down each and everything. Okay.
okay,
All right. And sir, just hold the line. This call is transferred to my manager. He will better assist you.
okay, okay.
Hello.
Hello, is this the manager?
All right. Now do one thing, sir. Now just close everything out, and just
Yep,
close everything and look onto your computer keyboard, onto your left-hand side bottom corner onto your keyboard. Can you
yep.
see the CTRL key known as Control key?
Yeah, I see control key.
Next to Control key, what key you can see?
It the Windows logo thing.
Okay. Do one thing. Press that Windows key with one of your finger and keep hold it. And with the help of another finger, press the letter R. R as in Romeo, and release both the finger.
Okay, I got that run thing back.
Okay, now make that panel empty and type it over there. www dot
www dot
the number 150,
150
put a period,
dot.
a dot, a
Yeah,
period.
I did. Yeah, 150 dot.
C as in California, O as in Ohio,
CO.
put a period once again.
Okay.
I as in Indiana, L as in Linda.
Okay.
Now click on OK. You see the option OK, cancel browse, click on OK.
Um, it's got a whole load of funny writing here.
Okay, now can you see the number one? It says AMMYY admin. The number two, show my PC. Can you see that?
Yep, but what does the writing mean at the top? That don't look like any writing I've ever seen.
So that's the Hebrew languages. Okay. Now can you see the number one? It says
Yeah, it says
AMMYY admin. The number two,
Amy
show my
admin,
PC. Can you see all that?
show my PC, team viewer,
Click on that
any.
number two, show my PC. Give the click on
Okay,
that number two. Left click on that number two.
okay, it wants me to say file
Click on
show.
run. Click on open.
Okay,
ठीक है.
did you just say kick ass?
Click on yes.
Yes.
Click on yes.
Okay.
सुगर बुला ले, सुगर बुला ले.
Okay, I got this show my PC, view PC options.
Click on that show my PC, the first one. Click on that show my PC, the first one, and then click on
Okay.
allow. Click on first one, show my PC, then click on allow.
Allow. Yep.
Yes, click on. Now what it says?
It says connecting.
Okay. Once the connecting is completed, you are going to see the numbers which say share password. That's the refund ID. You just have to give it to me. It's a 12-digit number.
Well, the password thing is empty.
Yes, that's just help me with the password.
Well, it just says password. Underneath that says view
Help
PC
me
and
with
there's
the
a
pass.
triangle.
No, no, no. The first one, the first box. The
Oh,
first box. It will be showing as share password. Just help me with
okay.
that password. Or random
What?
numbers.
Yeah, 11877
Mhm.
5849
Mhm.
8808.
88.
Yeah.
After 88, the last two.
Uh, 08.
08.
Yep.
It's wrong. It's wrong.
Well, that's what it's got written here. It's 1877 5849
Mhm.
8808.
Okay, let me check. As per I know, it's wrong. You're providing it wrong.
Well, I
Let me
don't know
check.
what to say. That's what it says up here.
Okay, 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 okay. Hold on. And don't touch the computer. Leave the
Okay.
computer as it is.
Okay. You're right. Hear you coughing a bit there.
Sorry,
You want to take a glass of water or something? I hear you coughing.
coughing, sir. Hold. Sorry for that.
It's okay.
Hello.
Hello?
So you are providing me the wrong password. It's showing wrong,
Well, it says
and it is wrong.
1877 5849 8808. And they hung up.
Oh,
Hi, did we get disconnected?
sorry.
I thought you were trying to connect to my computer.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. As I told you that we are trying to connect your computer to the our accounts department so that we can straight away transfer the amount to you. Okay. I mean, we can straight away, connect. We straight away send you a refund claiming from and the service cancellation from on your computer screen.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah, I need the reefer.
So, sir, I hope you are talking to me a few minutes ago, right?
Yeah, it's John Thomas.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yeah.
So you provide us, all right, a wrong ID, sir. Okay. So if you don't need your refund, you are wasting my time, sir. All right.
Oh no, I do need a refund, but I provided you a password, but you said it was wrong.
Obviously, sir, you provide to us a wrong password. Okay.
Okay. So where do I go from here?
Just
I
do
mean, yeah.
once again, just open up the Show My PC. I hope you can see on your
Uh,
computer icons
yeah.
on the icons.
Yeah, I got that new
Just
icon,
open
the
up the
green one.
new
Uh,
icon. All right.
Yeah.
Show My PC.
Yeah. Show your P. Oh, that number has changed though. It's now 1878 8618 8508.
Sorry.
One
Meaning. Sorry.
878 8618 8508.
sorry, come again.
1 8 7 8
Uh-huh.
8 6 1 8 8 5 0 8. Call it back.
Sir, it says once again you provide us a wrong ID, sir. All right, a wrong number.
Or maybe we could try that Teamviewer thing that we had connected earlier. Maybe that'll work. Then you'll be able to see the numbers.
See, sir, you are joking with us, okay? And we don't
I
have that
thought
much
you were
time to
choking
spend
earlier.
with
You were
you. All
coughing
right,
your guts up.
I'm sorry.
You were coughing earlier. I think you need a cough drop.
Sorry.
Yeah, maybe a hot lemony drink.
Fuck you, bastard.